And welcome back to the Stream Center, where we are talking car insurance. Florida, one of the highest, if not the highest state in the nation when it comes to car insurance. Florida's a no-fault state, meaning each driver typically files a claim with their own insurance company after an accident, regardless of who caused it. However, if a driver's injured, they can still pursue a personal injury claim against the at-fault party. And that is one of the reasons that Florida consistently ranks one of the most expensive states for car insurance.
It seems like so much money. We want to get some tips and tricks and just understand it better. So we're going to bring in Laura Longero right now. She is the director, executive editor, I should say, of carinsurance.com. Laura, thank you so much for being here with us today. Why, and Stacy just mentioned it briefly, is there any other reason why Florida ranks so high when it comes to cost of car insurance?
Yeah, I mean, another thing, as you guys are all well aware of course, is the severe weather in Florida, right? So property and casualty insurance across the nation is up. It's more expensive everywhere, but especially in Florida with the frequent hurricanes and flooding, that makes the rates more expensive for auto and home insurance. Dense traffic and accident frequency makes rates go up, the litigious environment, and then expensive medical care, all that, as well as a higher number of uninsured drivers, makes for one of the most expensive states for car insurance for you guys.
How about the age of drivers, Laura? The fact that we have a lot of seniors in Florida.
Seniors and like college students. You know, younger drivers make for more expensive car insurance too. So that both of that makes it more expensive for sure.
Now, one of the things that we're always told with any type of insurance is make sure you shop around, make sure you're looking for the best deal. Does that really help? And then what are ways that you can actually save money, Laura?
Yeah, so definitely try to shop around. You know, anytime you have a big life event, you know, you get married, you add a teen driver, make sure to shop around. Asking about those discounts, you know, make sure you bundle your home and auto insurance policy. You know, if you have a teen driver, making sure they are getting good grades so you can get that good student discount. You know, those are real big ways to save on your auto insurance policy. Then trying to maintain a good credit score and keep your driving record as good as possible. I mean, those are the best ways to save money on your policy.
And you brought up something earlier when we were talking to you that we didn't know. Like if you're married or divorced, like a big life change can matter on your car insurance.
Yeah, married drivers save money on their policies because the companies view you as a lower risk.
But that doesn't mean you should be running out to get married, because if they have been in a lot of crashes, that's going to have the opposite effect, correct?
That's right. You're going to have to get that accident forgiveness for your new partner to mitigate any form of crashes they had. Yeah.
Okay, and lastly, before we wrap things up, what is your best advice for saving money? And if it's shopping around and asking about discounts, how often should you shop around?
So we typically tell people to shop around every time their policy renews. So either every 6 months or a year. I mean, that sounds like a lot. At least do it once a year, right? To make sure you're getting the best rates. But just keep in mind, you know, insurance companies have different rating systems for different kinds of things. So if you get a speeding ticket, you know, one company is going to penalize you more than another company. Same with an accident on your record. So just remember that, you know, if your company is penalizing you a lot, another company might not penalize you as much for that same infraction. So just keep that in mind.
All right. Laura Longero from carinsurance.com. Thank you so much for being our guest. We had so many questions for you today. We appreciate your time.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.